Hiya, welcome to the photography and video show at the NEC in Birmingham. Let's go and have an explore, see what we can find. Vlogging camera of the year, there's Sony ZX-1 Mark II. Comment below, do you use this camera? What is it actually like? This is the smartphone camera Samsung Galaxy. I have the S23, it's absolutely awesome. And then I saw all of these Canon lenses. They just look all ace, don't they? Absolutely amazing. At the top is the Canon XA60, about 1,500-ish for this really cool looking camera. This is Ellie Rothine. She was an amateur photographer, wildlife photography, and then went on to become professional. Had a look at this Canon printer. Look at this awesome print from it. Absolutely incredible. Just look at the colours on that. Absolutely stunning. Awesome print. This is really cool. Every booth. And if you've got a wedding or party or something, and presumably you can hire these. Just really cool. Really, really great thing to have. This is a tiny micro drone that films. It was on sale in the show for £40. Retail normally is £65. These are some amazing prints from this Epson giant printer. I never found the answer to this. How many Manfrotto Avenger pieces did it take to build this bike? Stunning bike, but no idea how many parts it took. I love macro photography, and these are pretty impressive lights. Just gives a different kind of ambience to what you're taking photographs of. Really lovely effects you can get with these. Do you ever use a drone? I've got a DJI Mavic. Yeah, I intend to use that a little bit more, hopefully.